Mm.
Okay. This is PS4 Pro, and we are about to change the HDMI cable because it's not faulty. It's not connecting to the display, or it doesn't show any display when connected. When you look inside, you can see there's a lot of dust. I don't know whether there was a water something or a liquid something inside. So we are about to disassemble it and then change the spots. So let's get into it. Looking here, we realize that there is this particular screw which we don't have a tool for it. So we are going to use the flat. You just use the flat against any edge you find here